Come test drive the 2013 Optima. The all-new Kia Optima offers a new level of style and performance features from Kia. The Optima also features engine management systems like direct injection and turbocharging, which enhance performance without sacrificing fuel efficiency. Its smooth flowing lines speak of grace and style and offer a strong hint of European luxury. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: wheel locks, fog lights, FWD, front stabilizer bar, push button start, premium package, cargo net, cargo mat, carpeted floor mats. Come take a test drive today.